Good morning, guys. Today we are seeing a trailer we made for our Indian client. This trailer we are doing the manufacture according to the whole set of the drawing has been given by our client. Of course, all the videos we have made is permissioned by all of our clients. We have asked their permissions if they are okay to make videos to show to the world how their trailer looks like. They are okay because this is really low technic product, just the steel actually. Okay, first we can see in the gooseneck. The gooseneck is looks like a little bit like low bed, but without any braking or electricity connection in the front. We can open, actually it's pretty heavy. We can open the panel of on top of the gooseneck. Here is the beam of the gooseneck. We have the reinforcement plate here to the curved place. This is the landing gear. We haven't removed the protection for the venting. Here is a special spare tire carrier as required. At the bottom we have kingpin. This is 15mm welded type. The welded type kingpin. And between the two main beams, we have a two box. The two boxes over there. If we move to the loading deck, we can see more details like the rope hook and here the strengtheners. Actually, we have the twist lock over here. The twist lock is operating at the bottom from here, like this. And this is how it looks in the front of the bottom of the trailer. The clearance between the bottom flange to the ground is about, let's see, I haven't got the ruler. It's about 400mm, and the height of the main beam is about 500mm, and totally is about 900mm in the front. But in the rear, it's a little bit higher. It's almost 1 meter. And in the middle, there is nothing. Just the loading deck with checked plate. This is how it looks when we're getting too closer to see the checked steel plate, the loading deck. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 twist lock. Here is the rear part. We can see the height to the rear part is about to my here. So from here to the ground it's about 7 or 800mm, and to here it's about almost 1 meter. We save those holes according to the requirement of the drawing. Maybe something will be installed later. And here is a part of a reinforcement plate. Okay, so from here we can see the axle and a tire. We shall see the suspension is made by the solid steel. Sorry, one of our security guy was having a phone call. I was talking to him. Okay, here we can see the suspension again. The suspension is not spring type, not airbag type, but made by the solid steel. Like here, we call this type of the suspension rocket beam because it's pretty heavy, and this is where the suspension welding to. The suspension is welding to the main beam in the front. Here is the tire. You can see the tire is made by the solid cushion and the rims. If we move to this position, we can see actually our client also requires the braking drums to install, but we don't need to assemble the braking line. If we move further, we can see it has 4 axles. Each axle has 2 solid tires. So those suspensions are welding on the main beams in the middle, but this one would make the rear much higher than the front. Normally we don't do that. You can see our MAFI trailer video, how we did it and how we install it. So that's how it looks in the rear. Let's move to the front. Okay, those solid tire is low speed tire. You can see the size of it. It is 28 by 12 by 22. 28 means this one, I guess, and 22 means this one. 12 means this one, I guess. It's not thick enough, as my opinion, but especially required by our client. She'll ask him the reason later. Okay, here we have a view in the front, and the client requires a curved plate here, which lower the loading deck in the front. And here is the merged plate, which is specially required. And even we did not agree that very much, but that's a drawing from them, and they took all the responsibilities for the safety and the operations. I still have a lot of questions for design, but that's just the OEM product, so we're just following the orders. Okay, that's all from the bottom. All right, that's the running gear. The trailer is quite simple, actually. Okay, the trailer is actually very simple, and I think that would be all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy to see our video. If you like our channel, please click the subscribe button. It's pretty early. You can hear the rooster is saying something. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye bye.